Welcome everyone to another video. We are fishing on a Thunderbird today out of Newport Beach. We're fishing on a 2-day today and we're gonna go after some bluefin tuna and hopefully maybe yellowtail if we see some. We're gonna keep our hopes up but our expectations realistic. We have Mexican fishing license for this trip, so we're going all the way down. So we're gonna be traveling all night long down to San Diego. We're gonna be fishing tomorrow all day long, and then we're gonna capitalize on that night bite and early morning bite on Thursday, and then we're gonna be heading back on Thursday. So enough talking, let's get on the boat, let's get baited up, and let's go catch some fish. We are now just getting baited up.
This one right here. Can you go to this one?
Time for the boat tour. I'm right now at the bow. It's a pretty spacious bow. The sides are, I'd say like around 2.5 to 3 feet wide. Plenty of rod holders. Right here, the deck kind of slants down, and then there's some stairs to 4 bait tanks in the back. 2 restrooms. There's the forward bunks. Here is where I'll be spending my night, down in this lower bunk. Might switch to the top bunk if it gets too cramped down there. But there's plenty of bunks on this trip because it's a light load, so I might even just switch up, maybe go into the back cabin. Plenty of room back here.
The first rig we're going to be using tomorrow morning when it's still dark outside. It's going to be a jig setup. Nothing less than 100 pounds. You guys have to have 100 pound or more. If you guys don't have these setups, you guys are more than welcome to ask who. We have a few to hand out. Same goes with jigs, I believe. So if you guys don't have any, just talk to him. We'll get you guys all rigged up with that. If the bite does get super hot tomorrow morning, which it possibly could, you guys got to be on your A game. You guys got to pay attention to where your line's going and all that type of stuff. Because if you guys, I know there's only 14 of you guys on the boat tonight, but a lot of lines are tangled if you guys aren't paying attention. So you guys have to move very smoothly and quickly. After that, we're going to be doing this rig. It's like a drop shot, but for tuna. Fucking weird. It's literally going to be a 120 pound test at the least 100, and about 6 or 7 feet, 25 pound test with a 12 ounce hook, 10 at the least. It's going to look just like this. 3 ounce hook, 100 pound test up top, 20 pound test on the bottom. And what you guys want is you guys do not want to use the hooks without the ring on it. If you guys don't have any, I'm sure if you guys look to the person next to you, you guys can possibly find one. If you guys use the one without the ring, you could go south a little bit. I'm not too sure, but that's what we've been using. That's what's been getting bit. What else? The fly line setup. You guys want to have a 30 pound or 40 pound setup with a size 2 or a size 4 hook. Not the 4-aught, just the size 4, number 4. Bait. The bait you guys want is the bait you can't catch. Super lime green, nice white belly, super slimy. If you guys are at the bait tank for a minute and a half trying to catch that one bait, that's the bait you guys want. If it looks all black, blue, gross, and about to die, floating on its side, just grab it, throw it overboard, pick the bait that looks the healthiest, because it does matter what kind of bait you guys pick to the fish. It's just like you guys like to eat, and different
we started slowing down. We're arriving at the San Diego fleet. We're just on the border right now. There's plenty of boats out here, so hopefully there's a school out here and they're on a night bite right now. It is around 4:15, so it's time to make it happen. We are currently still searching. It is around 10 o'clock. No fish. We hooked one but lost one. Looks like we're rolling up on another school right now. Hopefully this is the one that decides to bite. We got one going right now. It's a big one.
Was the sinker below or above the hook? That's the question. Oh, it was?
Yeah, it was below.
Alright, I'm telling this fucking sinker over here.
Yeah, it was sinker, yeah.
I'll go get it. I'll go get it.
First bluefin of the trip.
Walk over here. You're on the fish. I'll pull the card.
Get big enough, you know, we'll get one.
Come on, let's have everybody get one on.
Killed him quick.
Guys, I got bit on 80 pounds. They told me to use 80 because it does not matter. 8 ounce weight, 80 pounds. You guys are all on the wrong side there.
Are you going early, Paul? Not yet.
I was on a big old,
That was on a big old circle hook too.
hey, you know that hook you're asking me about? That Hagashi? That Japanese?
Yeah.
Coming over the border.
That's what that was
220.
on.
I mean, 120,
Oh, yeah, that's a
240 still.
That's the Pokemon.
Can go one deep. Thank you. Oh, biter!
Nice. Yeah. Nice.
Walk down, man. Walk down. This way.
All right, coming through, guys, coming through. Thank you. Wow.
Was that on the sinker rig?
Yeah, sinker rig on the wind up. Slow wind up.
Yeah, Joey, you discovered the hostage. I only fool.
No, high gear.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
Do you feel? Are you on me?
Come on down. Let him come on down. Let him come down, guys. Let him come down. We got a couple tangles here, boys. And there's a fish coming through. Don't forget Thomas. Alright.
I had to put that up.
You see right?
No, I put that to strike.
So we're gonna lift up. He's gonna come underneath you. Go back over him. They're gonna slide underneath him.
Okay.
Here it is.
Whoa!
Not for too long, so that's Do you feel like he's gonna slide through the handle, dude? Because that thing is coming straight up to the surface. Let me get out of here. Nice. You gotta love that little boat.
Yeah, good job, dude.
Thank you.
This is a lot different than pulling on a trout than you call.
You wanna walk over here underneath? Nah, we're big. You're not.
Yeah.
Start walking up. This way. Actually, we're going to go back there.
See. Yeah. Hey Goofy, can you see if these that line next to me is on me?
Walk down and slide down.
I might be on him.
That's the second time. You're under him. then come on down. Come underneath them.
Fish.
Fish. Come on down. Go get him, buddy.
Thank you, thank you. Here, you.
Come on up, dude. Get up here. We got to tangle everybody. Hold on, hold on. Oh, he's going to lose his fish if he don't move.
All right.
Come on, under. Go, go, go.
You want me to walk to the bow?
No, I want you to stay right there. Where are you going?
The fish going right though, right?
Huh?
The fish is moving right? He's trying to go to the bow, right?
He's trying, but he's not.
Thank you.
Coming down.
Can I get into the corner, please?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Let me get around you real
Yeah.
quick. That way you have
It's not gaining on him.
all these folks put the fish down.
Joey, what's your number?
12. Just like my age.
You're 12?
Yeah. No, my intelligence level is 50. Actually, no, I'm 70 because I can't
You
remember.
want to go under me, sir?
Everybody go up and down. There you go.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, of course. How many fish do you got in there? 3. Write it down. Walk all the way into the corner. Every time you go down, all you're doing is pulling a line off your reel. Stay right there. The gaining line, there's no reason to do the bendy thing.
All right.
Tell Brian.
Rod up. Now wind out. Nice and easy. Don't go any lower than your balls and no higher than your eyeballs. Now wind down. Fish is swimming away. Relax, relax, relax. Swimming back towards you. Wind, wind, wind. Just straight wind. Just straight wind. Get off goddamn knees. Don't go to your knees until I tell you to.
All right.
Wind down. There's no reason to go to your knee when your fish is right here. your rod pointed straight out away from the line. Pull up. Nice and easy now. Then he's coming back at you, start winding. Point your rod straight out away from the boat. Keep your rod in one place. Let him swim outside his circle, don't wind. Don't wind. Start winding now. Rod straight out. Get up here, rod straight out. Straight out, straight out. Oh, just walk down. Yeah, this one.
Fish down at 180 and 240.
Got it? Point your rod out there. Now rod tip down towards the water. Let him swim around. Don't wind while he's under the boat.
All right.
There you go. Lift up. Now wind down. He's gonna come around. Rod straight out. Now wind down. Lift up a little bit. Now wind down. And now drag him towards the gaff. Now wind down. Lift up. Stick him. There you go.
Whew. Thank you.
Nice. Oh, nice.
Oh, that's PB right there. Thank you. Oh, holy crap, man! That guy kicked my ass. Can you get a picture of them?
Yeah.
New fish coming through that.
Dinner is now being served. We have tri-tip, baked potato salad.
Yeah, you're not 15, I know that. Yeah. This is the only number you need to go by.
Here's what I have tonight. 4 bluefin right now. Hopefully we can up that number. We caught 1 on a Carolina keeper rig, which is super interesting. I didn't think it would get bit. And then we caught 2 on the old-fashioned sinker rig, and then my fish, which was on the new sinker rig that uses a ring circle hook. We'll see what happens. It's currently 2 a.m. right now. We're searching for a night bite bluefin. It's not working too well for us. Only a few guys are awake right now, but the crew is still working at it. They're still trying to find some fish, and hopefully we can connect soon. Looking forward to catching some fish on a jig. I'm using a Daiwa SK jig. We're on one of our final stretches of the trip. We still have the morning bite to look forward to, and then that concludes our 2-day trip.
Just wake up there?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, it's been crazy.
Dude, I stayed up all night.
You really just woke up?
I stayed up all night, okay?
Oh, dude. Get that bait out there, dude. They're biting. We got fish up to like 56 pounds.
Holy crap, man. We barely have any bait left. We're running on the last few minutes of this trip. Hopefully we can
Kind of
make
hard
something
to see.
happen.
Hands on the belt.
We have a breezer and oil
That's
and
made it
out of
worse.
the water and just so much life around us, but they're not biting. It's a schoolie grace,
I
20,
still got
15
carry
pounds.
one in the way.
We're ending the trip with 26 bluefin. We caught 22 bluefin today. And I was asleep for most of the bite, so I didn't grab any today.
today, so I'm ending the day with one fish. Good, great bluefin though.
So that pretty much wraps up our trip. We ended up with like around 26 bluefin tuna. I caught one of them. We caught most of our tuna on this one stop that I slept through. So that's a huge bummer, but whatever. I'm coming home with one fish. Solid operation. I really like the Thunderbird, and the crew was amazing. The food was amazing, and I had a great time on my first ever 2-day trip. If you want to see more of these videos, subscribe, click the like button. If you have any questions, comment them down below. Hopefully I can do more tuna trips this year, or maybe yellowtail trips. It just depends on just my schedule and everything. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.